seat you by the fire. Listen, listen. There's something I must confide. I know I said that it'd be fine.
Good morning everyone. This is 7th of December and we are leaving Gangtok and we are going for Lachen. We have already done our packing, done our breakfast. We are going to come back to Gangtok on Saturday. I mean 2 days later. So we'll have to carry all our luggages. So we have done with everything. Now people are getting ready. You can see Mr. Anubishas and Mr. Shubhashish.
Hi, good morning.
So we are going to go towards Lachen today, and as of now right now it's 9:25 in the morning, and we have been asked to wait till 10 a.m. when the car will come and pick us up from here, which is around a 6 hours drive and the estimated time of arrival should be 4 p.m. So let's see. Right now we are going to be out within 10 to 20 minutes, so we will check whether if any belongings of ours is present over here. We'll check for that and we will quickly go out. That's it. Hope to see you in the car.
You out of my sight. You can call me killer, 'cause I'll bring you to the light.
So we are here at the stand of Gangtok. It's the taxi stand of Gangtok. From here we are going to go towards Lachen via Mangan, Mangan is around 2 to 3 hours distance from here, and Lachen is 6 hours. So okay, let me update you once I get into the car. Now let's just enjoy the view that we are getting and enjoy whatever our driver. Sir, आपका नाम क्या है?
Viren.
Okay. Say hi, Viren.
Hi.
Okay, so Viren is explaining us the different things about what we should see. बर्फ देखने के लिए कहाँ जाना चाहिए, all those stuffs. So we are going to cover a lot of things in these 6 hours. I guess that will be the most memorable 6 hours for all of our life, right?
Right.
So cheers to whatever we see. So let's go. Let's roll on.
You can call me killer, as you look into my eyes. Nothing but a sinner. You won't get away this time. You won't get away this time. You won't get away this time. You won't get away this
Okay, so we stopped here for a water break. We didn't have water bottles. We had that, but we forgot to pack it. So right now we bought it. However, before the actual North Sikkim checkpost, actually we'll have to get it unloaded because water bottles from outside is banned in North Sikkim. So in Lachen we'll have to get water from there only. So right now we are already very late, so just after this break we are going to move on, and probably we will our next stop will be Mangan, and then will be our lunch break. Okay, bye bye. Can you see that view?
God, yeah.
That's
heaven.
That's heaven. Only for that you come over here in Sikkim. Yeah, see this, the entire thing. our driver who stopped at this place to show us this awesome, outstanding view. Really. You really can't get better than whatever you are seeing right now, at least me. I am not sure whether the camera is doing justice to this whatever I am seeing
like
right
heaven.
now.
This is like heaven.
So
This is like heaven.
whatever I would say, that would be an understatement for the beauty I am seeing over here. You know, people who are lucky, they come to see this place, and they actually experience such things. So we are lucky, so we came here and we enjoyed, and thanks to our driver who stopped the car over here, and we were able to view this point. It's just awesome. Okay, so right now there will be a lot of other viewpoints. We will come back if anything else. Okay, bye as of now. So we have reached Seven Sister Waterfalls, which is in between the way from Gangtok to Lachen. Right now we have been assigned 10 minutes because Lachen is very far for us. From here it's almost 90 kilometers, so we'll have to do it in hurry. So whatever it is, I'll just update you once I reach there. I guess it's a very nice view. We'll go there, go down, and I'll record as usual. Not sure whether the camera will do justice, as I say always, but I'll try my level best. This place is called the Seven Sister Waterfalls, by the way. I'm not sure whether we will be able to see also. এই সবকটা কোথায় হয়? আমি দুটো দেখতে পাচ্ছি। Okay, hope you enjoyed the view that I showed you right now downstairs. So the downstairs path is a bit risky. तो पत्थर के थ्रू हम लोगों को जाना पड़ेगा, लेकिन फिर भी एक ही बार आए हैं तो डेफिनेटली ट्राई एक बार करेंगे. तो देखते हैं, चलिए कैसा लगता है. That's it. This is visible. Here you can see one. This is Buddha. That is also there. So the beauty of this place. The place to which we came here is like this. Again, a risky place. So it's 11 AM in the morning and this place is pretty crowded, so I was not getting any place for me to do some vlogging. But right now I just showed you this is called 7 waterfalls, but you definitely don't get 7 waterfalls. I just counted 4 maybe, and those 4 also I just liked it a lot. So hats off. Whatever we are seeing.
Hey, what's up?
How are you liking the place?
The place is nice, but I was expecting 7 sisters. I just saw 1 sister.
Exactly,
And
one sister and one mother actually.
It's not the sister, it's the mother. Yeah. So we are still searching for the other 6. So let's see.
Anyways, okay, let me meet you while we are in the car. So that's it as of now. Hope you have liked and hope I have justified to what I have seen. Bye bye. Hi, welcome back again to the car. This time we have come across like 20 kilometers from Seven Sister Waterfalls, and we are going to stop straight away for lunch now because we have to travel for probably 70-80 odd kilometers more. So with that said, there's no more stop that we are taking. So that's it for now. And Jiten, कितना टाइम लगेगा लंच के लिए?
आधा घंटा
आधा घंटा. अभी कहाँ पे रुकेंगे?
रंगरंग 0.
Okay. So whatever he said, we'll gonna stop there. We'll have lunch, and let me meet you guys once we are at lunch. Okay, chalo. So we have come to this hotel for lunch. I really don't know the name of the hotel. Straight away entered. My ears are not working. They have been locked because of height maybe. But anyhow, let's have lunch and then I'll meet you, and I'll let you know the name of the hotel as well once I get out of this hotel. Now, this person.
Hello, what's up, man?
Last time for having non-veg, right?
I'm not sure. I think we can get non-veg in Lachen. I think so, but not in the place that we are staying. I think so. So let's see. Let's hope for non-veg.
So whatever it is, we will have lunch over here, and then we will meet you in the car. In the meantime, if I get to know the name of the restaurant, I'll update you. And by the way, for the last time, I guess if we don't get the non-veg in Lachen, then for the last time, I guess we are having non-veg, right?
For 2 days, yes.
Yes, for today's lunch, we are having chicken. So that's it for now. We'll update you once we reach to the car. So that's Hotel Angela, which is where we had our lunch, right? And the lunch is pretty expensive, I guess. 150 rupees per thali.
It's okay, I guess.
Chicken thali 150 rupees.
Yeah.
Mumbai cash. Whatever is it, we had chicken thali over here, and in this Hotel Angola, it's and from here we are going to our next stop will be Mangan, where I will stop for buying a memory card, and then we will straight away go to Lachen. So that's it. Let us meet you in the car. Okay, bye. Okay, so we have stopped here at another check post of Sikkim police. This place is called Rang Rang. This place is called Rang Rang. You can see it's written over there, Transit Camp Rang Rang. So we are having our IDs checked over here, IDs and photographs.
Okay.
And that is done. He has done everything. Now we'll move on again. Okay, chalo. Yes, that's the road we are going to go through right now. It was yes, that truck is stuck over there. That is why it's वो अटक गया ना वहाँ पे वो ट्रक इसके लिए नहीं जा पा रहा है. हाँ. तुम लोगों के गाड़ी में डिफरेंशियल लॉक रहता है क्या? रहता है दोनों चक्का में, मतलब दोनों ऊपर नीचे.
4-wheel drive ना?
हाँ, 4-wheel drive.
You can call me killer, 'cause I'll bring you to the light, and it might taste bitter when you're answering to God. You can call me killer, as you look into my eyes, nothing but a sinner. You won't get away this time. 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 Won't get away.
Yes, we are going through such roads for the last half an hour, right? And I don't believe. See this. See this. And on top of that, this road is two-way. जितेन, तुम इस रोड पे तो रोज गाड़ी चलाते होंगे. हैट्स ऑफ भाई.
ठंड तो नहीं है ना
जी हाँ, गाड़ी का सारा कांच बंद कर दिया और ठंड तो नहीं है.
এদিকে জানলা খোলা আছে বলছি
খোলা আছে? ও সরি সরি.
কম আছে
बस तुमने हाथ में ये क्यों पहना? ठंडा के लिए. ओके, मतलब पहले ही पहन लिया.
प्रोटेक्शन
ओह, these treacherous roads. यहाँ पे नया रास्ता बना है लग रहा है, फिर से टूट जाएगा. Whatever is it, इस जगह का नाम है नागा फॉल्स. तो हम लोग अभी यहाँ पे आए हैं. यहाँ से हम लोग लाचेन की तरफ जा रहे थे. हम लोग रुके हैं इस जगह पे. एंड दिस प्लेस एक्चुअली लुक्स वेरी कूल. ये भी एक फॉल्स ही है, जैसे सेवन सिस्टर था उसी टाइप का, लेकिन ये जगह जो है ये थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. और यहाँ पे ये वेदर जो है बहुत ज़्यादा चिल्ड है यहाँ पे वेदर, क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा ऊपर उठ के आए हैं. तो दिस इज़ लाइक प्रोबेबली 3 PM in the afternoon and I am feeling really windy. It's very windy. जो भी है, अभी तो आपको अभी थोड़ा नीचे का व्यू दिखा दिया. अभी थोड़ा आप लोगों को ऊपर का व्यू दिखाता हूँ. चलो आ जाओ. Because we have इसका जूम कम करता हूँ. हाँ, क्या बोल रहा था मैं? हाँ, because in Seven Sister we have already gone down and it's just the same thing, just the place is different and it's really windy, but still now because अभी हम लोग को बहुत दूर जाना है तो हम लोग नीचे नहीं जा रहे हैं. यहाँ से ही हम लोगों ने व्यू देख लिया एंड जो भी मैंने देखा आप लोगों को दिखा दिया. तो शुभाशीष is saying that there is a point where a bridge has broken, so let me take you there and I'll show you that. Well, I'm not sure. Again, I'll have to say the same thing. Camera always doesn't do justice to whatever you see. So if you want to actually capture the moment by yourself, come over here and I doubt you will repent your experience. You will never repent your experience. It's just the roads that are treacherous and that are very dangerous actually. So people who are professional over here, they can only drive over those stretches. Otherwise, it's very difficult. Anyways, so वो टूटा हुआ ब्रिज थोड़ा एक बार देखते हैं. विजय, শুনেছিস কোন ব্রিজটা? এই ব্রিজটার কথা বলছিস? এই ব্রিজটা ওকে. This road right now. So that's it from here. I guess there's nothing more to update from here, but really if you want to come over here, come and watch these things. You will never repent your experience. That will be a lifetime experience, I can guarantee you. As of now, that's all I have. More, well, when we'll reach, we'll update. See, that's how landslide happens. Every day, every time, any day, any time. And that's the road through which we came. And right now we are standing over here in this particular place because one car has got damaged, and that's why the driver of our car is helping him out to get rid of the situation. These are places where if people don't help people, then it's very difficult to get rid of situations like this. So right now it's 3:30 p.m. in the afternoon, so our estimated arrival will be around 7 p.m. so not sure whether we'll be able to reach by 7 p.m. because we are already getting delayed time by time. Now if I talk about the road conditions, they are I would say okay in 60% of the conditions, and remaining 40%, well, that's not bad, that's worst. If you are not a professional driver and if you haven't driven in such kind of terrains, and at the same time if your car doesn't have differential locks, these 3 points if they doesn't satisfy, then you can always have numerous number of problems basically if you try to drive through this kind of terrains. If I take the road conditions aside, if I talk about the beauty and every other things, just keep the road conditions aside, this place, the journey, everything, I'll just that's worth remembering. I'll remember them till the end of my life. Just right now if I want to show you something, I can show you right away, and that's this. Watch the clouds, they are so near, right? That's the beauty of this place. You can never actually get rid of things which you will like and which will remain forever in your memories. You can see that view. Chalo, are we done for this place? We'll have to go reach hotel. Good evening everyone. Good evening. So we have reached the hotel over here in Lachen, and as you can see, only Arnab is left because
He's from Kalimpong.
but my jacket is zipped up, so you can understand.
So you can understand that
I'm feeling a bit cold.
And for us it's a lot of cold. He is from Bandel and I am from
Yamchi Bandel. He's from Yamchi Shamnagar.
So we can feel the cold for sure. So I have got my gloves on, and it's easily less than 0. Not less than
around 0 degree. It's touching 0. Yeah, it's not exactly 0.
So excited, and tomorrow
the room is very good, so you can show the room as well.
Yes. If I give a slight room tour, this is how everything looks. There's a TV and that's it. Now for room heater you will have to take that separately.
And by the way, we have booked the entire hotel, so the entire hotel is on us.
Yes, nobody is there. Only 3 crazy people in the month of December are trying Gurudongmar at this point, and it's 3 of us.
Yes, and we have booked 18 rooms for that in this hotel.
Anyways, so that's all for today. I hope you have liked the vlog. If you have liked the vlog, don't forget to like the content and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more such contents. On that note, I'll have to end this video, and we'll meet you in Gurudongmar for sure. Yes. Bye bye.